Nessa Sunshine here, and today we're getting into Anastasia Beverly Hills Sultry Palette, and we're gonna do this eye look right here. If you want to learn how to do this eye look, well, first subscribe to my channel, and let's get into the tutorial. I have my brows and my eyeshadow base on. We're gonna use the Morphe R37 brush for this process, and we're going to first go into the shadow birch. Take it first in the corner, and I'm going to start to move back and forth in swiper motions. Now I'm going above the crease area in the outer corner, moving in larger swiper motions back and forth. Okay, take a look at your eyes, blend if you need to blend more, and then we'll go on to the next step. Next, we'll go into the shadow twig. Move in the outer corner above the crease area. In swiper motions, I'm going to start to blend back and forth to bring it above the center of above the crease area of the eyelid. And I want to bring it down into that outer corner as well. Add more, and you can pat it in the outer corner there. And then after you pat it, you can swipe it again in swiper motions. And I'm going to start to swipe in swiper motions all above the crease area of the eyelid. We're going to do that to the other side. If you need to blend more, take a look as well and see, do I need to blend? But if not, then you're good to go. Now we'll go into a Pearl and Steampunk. So I'm taking a clean R37, press on those shadows, and I'm pressing it up against my lid, move that blending brush inward to the very inner corner. To help my way along with my shimmer shadows, I'm going to use the ABH Cosmetics No. 8 brush. It's from the Signature Rose Gold set. I'm going to take Pearl, press that, and blend it in swiper motion up. Take that above the creases in our eyelid. Then we have the shadow kind of everywhere but the outer corner. Let's do that to the other side. So I'm going to take Pearl, and we're going to put Pearl right over that shade. So just bring it over with that blending brush. I like that so much better. With a clean R37 brush, we're going to go into Dystopian, and I'm going to take it on the outer corner and press it. And I'm pressing it down at a sort of like angle. So first I pressed it down, putting my brush in this motion, and then I'm going to take my brush in this motion and press that color over there as well. I'm pressing, and I'm doing very light, tiny little swiping motions. So it's a light blend, a lot of pressing. Now that we have that, we're going to just do some liner, and all I'm doing with a liner is I'm putting it on my lash line. I'm not creating a wing with a liner. This liner is the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner. Add this first to the center of the eye. I'm gonna come in making sure that the inner part is smaller, and as we go over here, it's a little thicker, but not too much thicker. And then we get a little thinner at the very end down into the corner of the eye. So we just have a little bit of extra definition for our lash line. So let's do that on the other side. And then for lashes, I'm using the Lotus Lashes Yarzabeth Lash, and they look like that. Curl your lash, put on your mascara if that is what you want to do, and pop on your lashes if you want to put on false lashes. Put on your face makeup, pause the video, and voila, I have my face on, and the lip I use, just so you know. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Reshape and Resize Lip Liner in Pillow Talk, and then this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Pure Hollywood. So those are on my lips. I'm gonna take, this is the BH Cosmetics No. 8 brush from the Signature Rose Gold collection. Into Twig, tap off the excess, start in the outer corner, lower lash line. Then it's time for lower lashes. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Full Fat Lashes. And that will complete this look. Almost forgot. Inner corner highlight. This is the Makeup Geek small crease brush. Taking that into Pearl, into the inner corner of the eye, and move like in a circular motion, and on the inner lower lash line as well. This completes the look with Sultry. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to like this video and comment down below Sultry if you like this palette or plan to get it. And follow me on Instagram at Nessa Sunshine. I will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye now.